So with the two turning front arms here, I turn you this leg my opposite arm front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. My plie both arms closed. Release 5, 6. Hold 7 and open arm to the side, arm 8. To the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 30 degree. Okay, hold 5. 30 degree on 6. 7, plie on 8. We do other side exactly same. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, plie, susu up. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Side exactly same. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Close the arms, stay. 5, 30 degree, 6, 7, 8. Right now, we do everything bigger. Okay? So, pass it right away. Leg go pass it, arm high, and 2. Okay? Arm all the way around. See? All the way around up. And then every time plie, arm open here. Right now, front leg brush. You go PK, attitude. Front, face, front, plie, susu, and plie, side, side, plie hold, 30 degree, and plie, and front, front, plie, susu up, and plie, side, face, side. Good. Hold one count. 30 degree.